Hello again and welcome to my channel. So, Mindful Souls lovers, this is the fourth Mindful Souls box I have gotten, and this is a subscription my husband had gotten me for Mother's Day, and it is August 2021. So this is their August box for your fourth box. And so let's open this up and see what's in it. I'm so excited. Oh, here's their little card they put in it monthly. Then you get an affirmation for letting go. Cute. And there should be a sticker somewhere in here. We might find it. Okay. Let's just open one of these little bags. And like I say, these little bags are super cute. I've said it in other videos. Ew. Look at that. Put that right here. Uh-oh. Look, there's something else in it. Something else. Let me just stop this from waving. It looks like the same stone that's on all of those bracelets. I mean, that bracelet, the solid stone one. Let's see what this is. This is a labradorite bracelet set. Look at that. I'll let you read it. You could pause the video. Beautiful. I love labradorite. Now, let's do another bag in this box. Okay. Ew, look at that. I don't think you could see it, but there you go. This is beautiful. I have a piece that my husband got us when I was dating. We're on one of our first dates. So this right here is labradorite palm stone. I'm going to let you read about it. You could pause the video. Okay, beautiful. This is a nice size. I love it. Now, let's go. Uh-oh. Bracelet fell. There's something just sitting in. Ooh. Look at that little tiny spoon. Looks like there's a crystal on the top. That is beautiful. Let's see what that is. It's a spoon with a clear crystal. Beautiful. Let's open another baggie. Ooh, some sort of necklace. What? Okay, well, if it stops spinning, let's see. Let's get a better look at it for you guys. Oh, that's really pretty. It looks like it might be. Whoop. Let's see what this is. Lapis Lazuli. Yeah, I thought so. Look at that. Is a beautiful piece. Beautiful. Okay, that bag is done. Oh, let's see what's in this one. Oh, now this I'm super excited about. Oh my goodness, look at that. And that's a good size. This is a really nice stone. Let's see what we have. Mahogany Obsidian Point. This is beautiful, guys. Beautiful. You will love that. And look it is a good size. Just look at that. Beautiful. Oh, there's the sticker. Be the reason that someone smiles today. Beautiful sticker. Should always do that. And I'm pretty sure this is the last baggie in the box. Let's see what we have here. Ew. Look at that. Let's see, I think there's something else in here. See what you are. Ooh, a lotus flower incense holder. Now that is beautiful. I cannot wait to use this. So again, Mindful Souls, I'm super impressed. Super impressed. Let me put all this stuff out here for you to see. So this subscription, I believe, is $39.97 a month. And with the amount you get, I feel like it is well worth it. So do I love this box? Yes, I love it. Check it out. You could cancel your subscription anytime. And this is what we got in today's box. 4th box from Mindful Souls. Okay, check them out. I'll leave a link in the description below if you want to check out Mindful Souls subscription. See you on the next video. Bye for now.